Hey guys, this is Next Tap Play. Welcome to another video. This is the second video. So if you don't know me, just I don't know, comment. But I hope you like me. If you like me, just press the subscribe button and press the like button. Don't forget to comment. Comment if you like this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to make an automatic cooking furnace. So it cooks itself, so it's pretty easy then. So I made a pretty awesome way. So you need a furnace. Then we're gonna need some coals, and we're gonna need some meat to cook. Then you need hoppers. That's all. These are the 4 things that you need to cook something. So it's very simple and basic. So put it here. The hoppers. You need to sneak. So you have to press your sneak button. Put it in the top. And over here. Put it there. Then I think that'll be all. So this is the fastest way on how to cook something. And the last thing, the raw pork chop. Okay, where's the? I think I found the wrong guys. So I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. So yeah, just really put a stick or something like it. Okay, I think this is the one. Okay, jeez. I'm really sorry again. Oh. Oh. Damn. Oh. I'm really sorry. Okay. I know now. I know. And the input. Then the charcoal. Then it's cooking. So this is how you make an automatic furnace. So sorry all the wrongs. So yeah guys. So to cook itself. Since I'm in creative mode. See, a cooked pork chop, guys. It's very yummy. So this is how you make an automatic cooking furnace. So really sorry about the mistakes, guys. I'm really sorry. Please don't dislike this video. Just press like it. And comment down below on how do I make a better video of this. So there are many ways on how to make an automatic furnace instead of cook itself. But this one is pretty basic and easy one. So yeah, to cook, it's actually cooking itself, but you need to get food. So there's no automatic getting food furnace thing or something like that. So that will be all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. But I will make more videos in this episode or something. Please subscribe to my channel. Press the like button. And don't forget to comment down below in the sections. So if you do that for me, so thank you for this, guys. So see ya, guys, and now I'm going to eat the pork chops right now.